Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play newspaper Sudoku. The objective is to fill a 9x9 grid with numbers from 1 to 9. Each row, each column, and each of the 9 3x3 blocks must contain all digits from 1 to 9, with no repeats. Easier puzzles provide more starting numbers, giving you a clear path to begin solving. Once you understand the basic rules, start by looking for obvious numbers. Examine any empty cell and eliminate possibilities based on numbers already in its row, column, and 3x3 block. If only one number remains as a possibility, that's your single candidate and you can confidently place it. This simple elimination is key for easy puzzles. Next, try scanning and cross-hatching. Scan rows and columns within each 3x3 block to see where a specific number must go. Cross-hatching involves drawing imaginary lines from existing numbers to rule out cells in other blocks. For cells with multiple possibilities, use small pencil marks to note them. This helps narrow down choices as you progress. Sudoku is a logic puzzle, not a math one, so practice is crucial for improvement. Start with easy puzzles to build confidence, then gradually move to more challenging ones. The more you play, the faster you'll recognize patterns and apply strategies. Remember, if you enjoy reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Keep practicing and enjoy the satisfying feeling of solving each puzzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.